Come on. Start up already. What is going on here? There it goes. Finally. Here we go. Bowman, number 4. This was one we had going on eBay as well. Bowman number 4, yes, Dodger. 101 is up next. You are correct. Babe Ruth in there, huh? Let's hope so. I would not mind that at all. Chrome's going to take me a minute. Figure out how these are all set up. That one's all base. Herrera rookie. Couple chromes. You guys want to see the chromes? Or just the hits? Got a mini. Aaron Blair is not numbered. Farm's Finest for the Diamondbacks. Eric, P-I-N. Yeah, it was on eBay. This was one we put up there. Got a Daniel Norris rookie. You'd rather listen to Vin Scully than me, huh? Austin Meadows chrome. Quells chrome. Couple more base. Blair chrome. Couple papers. Mateo chrome. Bunch of base in this stuff. Holy cow. Couple chromes. A Jacoby Jones mini. Kind of like that little design in the background. That is not numbered. Going to the Pirates. Rupp 21. Haven't seen a Bryant yet. Got a Daniel Norris. Bowman Scouts top 100 for the Blue Jays. That is the Dodger fan. It's not numbered. I think only the die cuts are numbered in the top 100. Glasnow, top 100. For the Pirates, Rupp 21. Daniel Corsino. For the Reds, Josh, F-U-L. The heck are those called? Some kind of pulsar or something. DeGrom. Paper. There's all the inserts, man. Sanchez, Chrome. Roman Quinn, the purple, 243 of 250. It's going to the Phillies, the Dodger fan. Sharp card. Couple more paper. Wow. Victor Reyes, one of those silver pulsar looking things. For the Braves, Stacy, M-A-R. Gotta find something nice in here. Still looking for our hit. I think I see it. Jake Bowers. On card Chrome Auto, 53 of 499. Must be a refractor. For the Padres, Josh, F-U-L. Picking up the hit. Ice or sparkle? All right. Thank you. We will ship all cards. I'm just not going to go through them all. Rafael Devers, blue, 85 of 150. For the Red Sox, Brian, J-O-B. No kidding. It's weird how they load some of the cases. Alex Jackson, top 100. For the Mariners, Leon, EDG. Castillo, rookie. Albies, mini. Ozhano Albies. For the Braves, Stacy, M-A-R. You'll have to give me a minute there, Matt. I can look for you. Head to the site, check out the break app. That'll tell you. Anything close should break. The Moises Alou. Flashback. Those are pretty neat. It's for the Pirates, Rupp 21. Kind of like those flashbacks. What's going on, Daniel? Not a whole lot of inserts in the hobby boxes, are there? few of them. Bunch of base. Yeah, those flashbacks are nice. Didn't notice any yet. No Bryants. I might have skipped it too, though. Who knows? There are 4 minis. Steven Piscotty mini. Farm's finest for the Cardinals. Paul AUS. The last pack in box number 4. All base. So we had a blue Devers, numbered to 150. Our hit was Jake Bowers, numbered to 499. Got a purple Quinn, 243 of 250. And that was about it for the numbered. 4 minis. That'll do it for Bowman number 4.